Dear learners, now I will do math number 13 from chapter 10 SSC General Math books. We have seen that they have told us that if the angle of a depression of a point on the ground 20 meters from the top of the house is 30 degree, then find the height of the house. Suppose it is the height of the house, then angle of depression. We will always remember that depression means, if you think here parallel to the surface, then the depression is just less than surface, here 30 degree. So the alternate angle at the ground will be just 30 degree. Depression's angles and alternate angles at the ground is just 30 degree, and this is 20 meter distance. And find the height of the house. I have to find out this. So if I keep its in name A, B, C, then B is the angle, acute angle, so the opposition is AC and hypotenuse is AB. So I have to find out the value of AC. I will make a relation between opposition and hypotenuse, and I know that sine can make the relation between opposition and hypotenuse. That means we can write here sine 30 degree equal h by 20, hypotenuse is 20. We will keep the value of sine 30 degree, it is 1 by 2, and h by 20. If we transfer the 20 in the left side, then it will be 20 by 2 equal h. This is 10, so h equal 10. That means height of the house is 10 meter. This is our answer. Now we will do 14 number math. At math number 14, they have asked the angle of elevation of a tower at any point on the ground is 60 degree. That means at first I will draw the tower. The angle of elevation is 60 degree at any point. Suppose the point is B, A, B, C. 60 degree. If it moves back 25 meters, it moves back 25 meter. Then the angle of elevation is 30 degree. That means here 30 degree. This is D. Find the height of the tower. I have to find out the value of h, AC. Suppose it is x. I have to find out h and x. I have supposed I can make a relation between them. If we think about the acute angle 60 degree, I will make the relation between opposition and adjacent. So opposition by adjacent means 10. That means I can write in triangle ABC, I can write 10 60 degree equal opposition by adjacent. 10 60 degree equal root 3. That means I can write here root 3 equal h by x. Now if I want to find out the value of x, I will transfer the x in left side. It is in division relation right side, so when I will transfer it to the left side, it will in multiplication, and root 3 is in multiplication. While I will transfer it in the right side, it will go to the in division relation with h. That means I have got that x equal h by root 3. Now I will work in triangle ADC. If I follow the triangle ADC, I have to find out the height AC, and I will make a relation between DC and AC. So DC is adjacent and AC is opposition. The relation between adjacent and opposition is 10. We can write 10 30 degree equal h by 25 plus x. Because of adjacent is DC and DC is 25 and x, so I have to write it 25 plus x. Then 30 degree equal 1 by root 3. 25 plus x, I can transfer it in the left side. It is in division relation with h at the right side. If I transfer it in the left side, it will be 25 plus x and root 3h. 25 plus, I have got that x equal h by root 3. That means I can write here h by root 3 and root 3h. 25 equal root 3h minus h by root 3. 25 equal, if I take h as a common, then I can write root 3 minus 1 by root 3. I will do LCM. If I transfer the root 3 at left side, it is in division relation at right side. At left side it will make 25 into root 3, and 2 is in multiplication relation right side. When it will transfer to the left side, it will go to in division relation and h. Now after calculating 25 into root 3 divided by 2, I will get 21.651, and it is approx result, and it is our answer. This is the height of the tower.